Sleek looks, smart price, and if you want the modern aesthetic of a sleek built-in hob but need the flexibility and friendlier price of a traditional store, then this video is for you. We are featuring 3 mid-range 3-burner convertible hob tops that give you the best of both worlds, complete with essential auto ignition and powerful burners, perfect for nuclear family of 3 to 4. Get ready for a kitchen that looks expensive but it is perfectly practical. For all the hobs I have provided, link in the description. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. I will reply you there. Glen 1073TR. Glen 1073TR is a perfect blend of style and substance. It delivers with incredibly durable forged brass burners which retain heat better than regular brass. It features a great burner mix, including a high-powered triple ring burner perfect for that quick stir fry. As a true convertible hob top, you have the flexibility of using it as a simple tabletop or cutting a niche for a sleek built-in finish. Its sleek black toughened glass and the automatic ignition give your kitchen a modern, seamless look. Reviewers have reviewed it says it has a best value for money hob and auto ignition is quick and reliable. Faber Maxus HT783 CRS. It's a best when it comes to Faber's reliable hobs. This Faber Maxus provides a true premium feel in the mid-range category. It's equipped with the high-quality metal knobs that feel professional and last significantly longer than the standard plastic ones. The burners are of high-efficiency brass, offering excellent cooling performance, all wrapped in a robust convertible glass body with a reliable auto ignition. This hob ensures you get performance and durability that punches above its price class. Crompton Super Slim 3-burner hob. So why it is superb? The Crompton Super Slim lives up to its name with an ultra-thin profile, making it look incredibly integrated and sleek even when placed on the countertop. It features a powerful triple ring burner to handle your biggest cooking task and a reliable auto ignition system. This model provides modern power in a minimalist design that is perfect for contemporary kitchen aesthetics and the small to medium sized families.